Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a Gumroad buy button to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can now get started, and the first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started accessing all the sections right here: home, products, collaborators, and so on. This is going to enable us to manage our website. But let's go and follow this article right here in the official help center on how to integrate Gumroad into websites. So you're going to open up the help center right here, the left side of the screen, open up help and use the search bar right here to find this article. This is going to enable us to follow the steps right here, and this is what we want to do. So we're going to go to your accounts widgets page directly on Gumroad. So you can just click on the link right here to open it up, and it's going to look like this. From here you can select model overlay, change the button text if you wish to, and click copy embed code. So you can use this option right here called model overlay, and you can go ahead and choose your product and the button text that you want to use. It's going to look like this. After that, you can copy and paste this code into your website, and this is how you're going to embed it directly into WordPress by copying pasting this code and pasting it to your WordPress website. And just like that, you are going to go and be able to place your buy on Gumroad option directly on your WordPress website, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.